Hi, in this video, we will talk about the aggressive hybrid fund. But before we get into what they are, let us first understand what a hybrid fund is. We know that mutual funds are mainly of two types, equity and debt funds. Equity funds are those funds which invest their corpus in stocks and equity-related instruments, whereas debt funds are those funds which invest in debt instruments such as bonds, G-Secs, T-bills and money market instruments. But there is a fund which invests their corpus in a combination of equity and debt instruments. Such funds are known as hybrid funds. So now let's talk about aggressive hybrid funds. Aggressive funds are a type of open-ended hybrid schemes which invests between 65 to 80% of their total corpus in equity and equity-related instruments. The remaining 20 to 35% of their corpus is invested in debt-related instruments. Another way aggressive funds can make returns is through arbitrage opportunities. Arbitraging is the process of buying a security from an exchange and then selling the same security in a different exchange at a higher price. The difference between prices becomes a gain for the arbitrager. Aggressive funds are less risky when compared to pure equity mutual fund schemes. But since they have an exposure of up to 80% in equity, they are riskier than balanced funds. When it comes to taxation, these funds are taxed in the same manner as equity funds. For investment periods of more than 12 months, a 10% long-term capital gains tax is applicable, while investments less than 12 months are subject to a 15% short-term capital gains tax. So before investing in such funds, you should assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. Since the funds have high exposure in equity, the schemes are ideal for investments up to 5 years. It is also important that you research about a fund's past performance and understand the type of stocks the fund manager invests in. A major investment in small cap or mid cap companies may come with added volatility and risks. Thank you for watching the video.